subscribe my YouTube channel Majestic Nisarg, and also click the bell button for more updates and quick notifications. Hey guys, it's Majestic Nisarg. Today we're going to show you some tricks. First, we have a glass, but it's so slippery. I want to play with this glass like this. It's almost peeled off the edge. I have an idea. Got the things to make it. A balloon and a scissor. And wait. And cut it. And now I have this. So let me just put this in my nose. You forget about the thing I just told you. My nose, I already opened it now. Grab my nose. Just get about the thing I told you. I already opened the nose. I didn't actually tell you that. Okay, never mind. Get about when I opened it. Did you guys see? This is done. So now this is not slippery. Look. It's kind of moving the table. Okay, that's kind of a thing. And look, it's so strong. It actually moves the table. You see? And look. Guys, you see? It looks like slime is stuck. But look at all these. I make 4 colors, which is yellow, green I actually made. So I made 3 colors also. Yellow, pink and blue. Okay, this is the wrong order. Because I didn't make that one, the green one. That's the wrong order. Please, you're gonna be guys, please don't do this. I'm gonna hold. Oh, did you guys see what? Please do. Oh look, guys, it's a tank. I can shoot out my tank balls. It's a tank. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.